Okay, let's talk about our daily schedule. This is the time range box. These are the daily activities. So what do you do during the day? Label the activity, whether it's labor or work, recreation or fun, eat, which is F for food, sleep, or other. Okay, well, I can say that I go to bed usually around 10 p.m. and I get up at 5 a.m. Monday through Friday, and that is S for sleep. Okay, I work, so there's L for labor. At school with you, I'm at school with you from 8 a.m. to 1:10 p.m. Oops, forgot to put the a.m. And then that's when I'm teaching. And then you go home, but I still work from 1:10 p.m. to 5 p.m. and then I go home. From 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Whoops. I'm watching Paisley, but I consider that recreation. That's really fun for me. So I'm gonna mark that with an R. And then also in there, I eat. So we usually eat about 6 o'clock. So we'll say 6 to 6:30 p.m. I'm eating dinner. And then I eat breakfast. I forgot to put in my breakfast. So let's see, I usually eat breakfast around, we'll say 5:30 a.m. I'll have a little, some fruit or toast, and that takes me about 15 minutes. So I'll say 5:45 a.m. Right, and then that's food. And then when you guys go home from school is when I eat lunch. And usually everybody's picked up by their parents by 1:30. And so I'll start my lunchtime around 1:30 p.m. during the week. And it takes me about 20 minutes and maybe 30 minutes. I'll round it to 2 p.m. To give me about 30 minutes. So those are some of the things that I do. Of course, I'd have to look at the weekend and figure those time frames out, but that gives you a good idea on how to figure out your daily schedule. Okay, then what you need to do is come down here, give a color code, whatever color you want, to your items up here on your daily schedule, and then figure out the part of the day that it takes up. Now, I already can tell you that Monday through Friday, I work a lot. So that's gonna take up a lot of my schedule. Same with your Monday through Friday. You're at school for a longer period of time than you probably realize you are. But during the weekend, you probably play a lot, or go on vacation, go and do fun things with your parents and your family. So that would take up a good part of your day. Once you're done with your key down here, then you start coloring and coding in the amount of time that you work. At school, you're a student, so that's considered your work. Maybe you have chores at home, that's also considered your work. So if it takes you 30 minutes to take out the trash at home because you're helping your family, don't forget to log that. Okay, the last part here, let me make sure you can read it. You're gonna think of 4 different things that you might like to receive as gifts, and then make a tally mark for each person that you ask that would like to receive the same gift. So I'm gonna do some popular ones here. Maybe you want video games because you're a Fortnite person and you want video game time, and then you ask 5 people, so you would write their initials in here, but you could also, for the sake of time, you just put check marks. So I've asked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they said that would be their choice. Okay, so I have check marks here. And then maybe you would like to get some art supplies. Maybe because you like to draw. Okay, so I'm going to put art items. Maybe it's paint, maybe it's paintbrushes or paper or pencils or crayons. And you have asked 10 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so you fill in the boxes. Now it's totally up to you what you want to put in these boxes. And then ask as many people as you can what their preferences are. Okay? And that's what we have. And now you've had practice